or memset 0 that. Yeah. Yeah, so what would you check? You just check that it's 0? Okay, this is about writing. Yeah, so unfortunately, I don't see anything that we could do. I think the current solution is as good as we're going to get for now. What's open virtual? Opens a sound file from a virtual file. Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna drink water. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is just take this code and commit it. I'm gonna split up in 2 commits. So let's do a diff to make sure. We don't need to do a diff from there. That's wasteful. Yeah, so anyway, you can see. For some reason, the makefile.in changes every time I run config here. So I don't want to commit that anyway. But I want to commit this and this separately. So let me go into source first. No, first let me go into libsource. Okay. So here I can commit this. Patch from upstream. I also have to notate the patch. Yeah. Whenever we do patches, we have this Audacity patches file. Yeah, and then we say libsend file. Yeah, so I have to put it here. So that'll be called. That means I have to add that patch as well. Okay. So we'll call that ID3. Is that right? ID3, yeah. ID3. Patch. So, oops, wrong one. There we go. Alright. So let's just write the comment already in upstream. Already in upstream 1.0.26. Git oops This is the git string. And we'll make the comment fixes crash when importing MP3s of various that have, what is that called? Duplicated tags. Yep. Okay, so we have to fix that. Then we got to go back to libsound file and move 00 whatever patch to just call it id3.patch. Actually, how about we just call it that? Let's just call id3.patch. Yeah, that's good enough. And we'll add it. So let me also revert our makefile.in. Yeah, then we can commit from here. This is nice and clean. We just have the changelog did get touched, interestingly enough. Yeah, but this will be blown away when we update the next one. So svnci-m, and we will commit the message saying, what do we want to say? I should check that the bottom line is, yeah, it's being caught, just barely. And I don't think anyone's watching the stream, but anyway. So what do we want to commit? Fix a crash with when importing MP3s with duplicate tags via libsound file. This patch is from Eric De Castro Local, already upstream. I think that's all we want to say. Yep. Also editing patch notes. Also made appropriate entry in Audacity patches.txt. Let's commit. we go. Okay, so we committed that. Now we go to source and we commit this guy. And we'll have to say svnci-m fix for crash when importing MP3s with duplicate tags for libsound by hard coding the version the importer not to handle MP3 extension. This only works with no. The previous rev svn rev 11457 has a fixes this bug, but this is for this patch is for Linux systems that use system libsound file, which will still cause the bug. Unfortunately, this means that waves mislabeled as MP3 will no longer be read by libsound file, and for system libsound file also for system libsound file on Linux, this bug will still exist for MP3s mislabeled as WAV. Good, there we go. And we can always revert if need be. So it's no biggie. Just to do some quick sanity checks, I want to make sure we can still import waves.